Hello folks, in this video I want to talk about how you can install Chocolatey in your Windows machine. So in my case, I'm actually going to use an AWS Windows remote machine. So in my screen you can see the Chocolatey website and I'm on the install page. So this is the Chocolatey website. Oops. And I'm on the install page, which is one sec, install/install. And here you can choose your installation method. In my case, I chose individual, and you have to open up an administrative shell and then like run this. If it's non-administrative shell, then you have to follow a different installation option like instructions. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looked like for me. So in my case, I was just opening up Windows PowerShell. I right-clicked and I was running as administrator, and you should see something like this: administrator and then Windows PowerShell. And I was typing Choco, nothing came up. And then the next thing that I did was run get execution policy, and it should not be restricted. So if it is restricted, then you have to actually use something like bypass to bypass policy to get things installed, or all signed for quite a bit more security. So if it returns restricted, in my case it was unrestricted, so all good. But if it's restricted, we have to do this one of these, either all signed, which is more security, more secure, and or else go with bypass. And then I was just running this command. I copied this and then just pasted it here. So you can see this here. You can actually see a progress bar once you type this in, and it'll actually download stuff and install your Chocolatey, and it'll finally say like installing Chocolatey on the local machine and like creating Chocolatey install as an environment variable and all that. And finally, you should be able to like type Choco, oops, Choco, and you should get this. Awesome. So that's how you can install Chocolatey, and that's all I had for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.